And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a neon drawing effect. You can use a photo filter for that. Let me copy this origin right here and I put the copy to the right side. It's selected, I go to filters, image, paint and draw, and there's the neon draw menu. Smooth and normal should be the defaults. Check the live preview and it's automatically applied. The simplify simplifies all of the elements that are drawn with this neon light. The line width makes it thicker or thinner. When you make it too thick, it gets blurry. It depends on the photo that you use, but if you go high with the lightness, these light colors of the photo, they will be turned white at first, and the further you go up, everything turns into white. And if you go into the other direction, most of the elements will be turned into black, except for the outlines. For the most part, you want to have a low value with this effect. And we've got 3 blending modes. The normal mode should be the best for most photos, but for the one that I've got here, I think that multiply and screen produce decent results. I actually like the screen best, so I'll keep that and I'll play a little bit around with the other values until I've got something that I like. Let me simplify that a little bit more. And I want to increase the line width. Apply it. You can always reapply this effect afterwards. If you want to use it, go to File and export your image just like a regular photo. And this is how you can create this neon draw effect in Inkscape. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.